Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp calls unavailable. So first of all, launch WhatsApp application on your mobile device. From here, directly tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner, and from here directly scroll down below and tap on the option of help. From here, just go to the option of help center. Now over here, scroll down below all the way till the bottom and then tap on Contact Support. Now over here, you have to describe your issue in brief. So this is the statement that I have typed. You can also send this via email. For now, I'm gonna tap on the option of Next at the top right corner of my screen. Now let's wait for some time. Now over here, you can see other various helpful links related to your issue. You can tap on it, or you can simply tap on Send my question to WhatsApp support at the bottom. With that, a conversation like this will be opened on your WhatsApp, and over here you can see that your message and your ticket number is given. So as you have sent your report to WhatsApp, WhatsApp will be responding to you within a few hours or a few days regarding your issue and how it can be fixed, or if it has already been fixed by WhatsApp. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.